Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad using custard powder. First, gather your ingredients, including fresh fruits and custard powder. To begin, take 2 tablespoons of custard powder and mix it with a 1/4 cup of cold milk to form a smooth paste. Then, heat 2 cups of milk with 4 tablespoons of sugar, bringing it to a gentle boil. Slowly add the custard paste, stirring continuously until the mixture thickens to a creamy consistency. Next, let's talk about the fruits. Select a vibrant assortment of your favorite fresh fruits, ensuring they are ripe and firm. Wash them thoroughly under cool water. Then, carefully chop all the fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces, making sure to remove any seeds or cores. A good mix of textures and colors, like grapes, apples, and mangoes, will make your salad visually appealing and delicious. Once your custard is cooked, it's crucial to let it cool completely to room temperature before combining it with the fruits. This prevents the fruits from becoming mushy. Gently fold the prepared, chopped fruits into the cooled custard, ensuring every piece is coated. Be careful not to overmix, as this can damage the fruit. After mixing, transfer the salad to a serving bowl and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Finally, your delightful fruit salad with custard is ready to be served. This refreshing dessert is perfect for any occasion. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a few fresh mint leaves or a light sprinkle of chopped nuts like almonds. Serve it chilled to fully appreciate its creamy texture and the burst of fresh fruit flavors. Enjoy this simple yet elegant treat with your loved ones.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.